Hi everyone, Mike is here, Boomerangme founder, and today in this video we're going to talk about how to set up membership card 2.0 version for your business or for your client's business. And first things first, if you're working as a client, as an end user, as a business, my recommendation is to start from your card section and create a new membership card from the templates or from the scratch if you want. But if you're working as an agency, I recommend to set up membership card for testing purposes and for running under the sub account, because I guess you already connected your Stripe account to your reseller dashboard. It means if you want to play with the membership, you want to use the Stripe test keys for this purpose. And if you disconnect your Stripe account, you could lose all your subscription and connected clients. I highly recommend to do all the things and all the tests under the sub account level. This is the reason. Look, next one, you could create sub account using prospecting tool, or you could create the sub account from the scratch. I highly recommend to use prospecting tool because this tool will save you at least 20-30 minutes to customize this membership card. But today in this video, we're gonna talk about how to create this from the scratch, to show you all the features, possibilities, and explain you all the steps of this creation to give you the big picture of this card. Okay, next one, sub accounts, and we will create a sub account manually, and I prefer to create the sub account for Gold's Gym, Venice, Santa Monica, Los Angeles, the favorite Arnold Schwarzenegger training place actually. Client name, okay, the phone number the dummy number for test, email could be m+test123 at boomerangme.cards. The password again, the note, go ahead. Plan, I prefer to use business for the trial period. That's good for me. I prefer to skip all the snapshots because we didn't run a prospecting tool or Richie, and we didn't get any information about this business. Snapshot will be empty in this case. Okay, here is really the sample of sub account created from the scratch without any information inside. Let's go sign in. Absolutely clear sub account with the first captured cost of loyalty program, this according to your plan. Okay, card section, create a new card. Let's try to find gym template. What else? That's it. Okay, use this one, use membership card. Next step. And I prefer to change the name as a next step to the name of my business, Gold's Gym. Gold's Gym. Membership card. Beautiful. Perfect. Well, first step. Here is the place where we could choose the options. First of all, collect payments if you want to set up recurring payments for your members, for your customers. This is the option for you. If you want to use the membership card version 1.0 without any payments, without any, additional things, any additional requirements, you could use no. In this case, you will enroll your customers in your membership program without any payments, absolutely for free. And also this is a great opportunity to collect the customer base data from your customers without any payments. But if you want to do this with the payments, please select yes. Next one, payment gateway. The system suggests to you to connect with the Stripe, and we will do the same right now. So for the first initial step, I suggest and recommend to use the test keys from the Stripe. I'm in my test account, Boomerangme test. I activate the test mode, and here is my keys. Public key, fill in, and secret key. My password. Okay, go ahead. Loading APKs, and yeah, copy the secret key. Fill in here, connect, account connected, save and preview, reload the page, and yeah, all is good right now. It works. So the next step, what we need to do, we need to go to the next settings. It's auto renewals option. First of all, if you want to set up the recurring payments for your customers to charge them daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, you need to select the first option and activate auto renewal. If you do not want to do this, and if you want to offer lifetime memberships with the one-time payment to get access to your membership club, your option is the second option, right? But today we're gonna talk about the first classical one. It's auto renewal option. Let's get back the name. Go James membership. Okay. So go ahead. Membership expiration date. Here is actually two options again. If you prefer to charge your customers regularly, my recommendation is to set up the membership expiration date based on the paid period. It makes sense because of, if you charge them monthly, the expiration date will be set up accordingly monthly after the payment based on the payment date. If you want to set up specific time in the future, it really applies only for memberships without auto renewals when you want to charge just one time for the lifetime memberships. Our case, it's the first one based on paid period. Next one, membership tier unit measure name. What it means, we could set up some limits for the membership card. For example, for the gym, it could be 30 visits a month. It could be 5 visits to spa or something like that. And you could track these visits and spend from the customer balance when they visit your location. And here is the place where you could customize the unit name. In our case, it could be visits, it could be goods or something like that. And as you can see, the name is changed here, right? But for gym, the visits, it's absolutely properly named. Okay, the trial period. This is the great opportunity to give your customers a try to your business and give them access to your gym for like 7 days to try absolutely for free without the payment. But you need to know, in this case, your customers will need to fill in their card details data through the subscription process, because Stripe will authorize their payment card to give them access to the free trial period. It will be charging something about less than 50 cents to get access to the membership to the trial period. Okay, go ahead. Membership tiers. By default, we set up 3 tiers like bronze, silver, and gold to give you an idea how you could name and just customize your plans for your customers. If you do not want to set up different tiers, you could play with the first one, but the first one is a required one because you need to have just at least one plan to sell something, because it's literally your pricing page with your offer. Without this offer, if you do not want to charge your customers, again, you need to select no here in the collect payments setting. But we want to charge. This is why we will set up the tiers right now. Look, the first things first, the name of the tiers: gold, gym, basic, membership, and the description. In the description, you could explain what is it. It's membership program for regular customers, something like that. Okay, next one, it's a pricing where you could set up the pricing which will be charged daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. And for gym, I think it doesn't make sense to charge them daily and weekly, and I prefer to still play on monthly and yearly plan. Okay, monthly it will cost $35, that's okay, and we will include 30 visits a month. Let's set up 30, it's okay. And yearly will cost $350, and we will include like 365 visits a year. And we will highlight the yearly plan as recommended on the pricing page. Also, we could add benefits to provide some additional value to your customers, but you need to know that benefits are not countable in this case. It means it could be some benefits for subscribers without the limits, like 24/7 access to the gym. It could be like free water and towels. It could be like free access to the spa, and also like 3 personal trainings with coach included in this plan, something like that. My recommendation here in the benefits, don't hesitate to use some images to highlight these benefits on the pricing payment page. Free water and like drink, something like that. Okay, free access to the spa. Let's use spa emoji, and 3 trainings with the coach is something like sport, and it could be like this one. Okay, beautiful. So if you want to add another tier, you could do it manually here, or you could just copy your existing tier and customize it a bit. Like this is the membership, this is the premium membership for VIP customers. The price will be doubled, like $70 with 90 visits a month, and it could be like $700 for yearly with 1.5k visits a year. And benefits we could add, just copy and paste from the previous plan, previous tier, and 3 personal trainings, of course not 3, but it could be 30 personal trainings with coach, and also free access to the veggie bar. Just imagine. Okay, got it. Next one, we need to, let's save it. By the way, don't hesitate to save your cart when you're customizing. Okay, cart issuing form. By default, we're asking for the name, last name, phone number, email, date of birth, and photo. For the phone number should be required and unique because of this is our identifier in our database. This is important. Also, you could set up email as a unique. Check the uniqueness of this field. Date of birth if you want, if you need to collect this, and the photo. It's additional option for membership card if you prefer to use it. The photo will be appeared here in the right part of your image section. And I prefer to activate the photo collection to identify customers in your location for more personalization actually. Next one, you could easily connect with your locations if you want. If you don't want, you could skip it. Language by default international. English, date format, I prefer to use the US format, month, date, and year. 1000 decimal separator, that's okay. Purchase amount is required in the scanner application. You know, here is the option for loyalty cards without tracking monetary transactions like punch cards. With the punch cards, we do not know how many customers spend to get the stamp, and makes sense to ask for the purchase amount in scanner. For the membership card, it doesn't make sense because we already know how many these customers already paid for the membership access, and moreover, you can get these statistics in the Stripe. You could skip this step. UTM links. If you prefer to share this card across the different channels, by default, I believe you will share this membership card in your gym, in your location, and you will use QR code, which will be generated automatically when we complete the settings. And also, if you prefer to share this membership across the different digital channels, like your maybe Facebook group, maybe in your Instagram account, or maybe your TikTok if you want, and etc., you could create additional links with different UTM parameters to track activity and statistics by them. Next one, phone masks, United States privacy policy. This is the default information. Google Wallet installation button. If you want to get access to install loyalty and membership cards into the Google Wallet, just activate this option. But I highly recommend to use PWA cards for Android users to get access to send them push notifications, because Google Wallet unfortunately still doesn't support push notifications natively. Next step, limit the number of cards issued. If you want to just issue the limited series of the memberships, like 100 cards in total, you could customize, but I think for the gym it doesn't make sense to limit the number of sold goods. Next one, limit the number of customers check-ins a day. And for gym, you could set up the limit like twice a day and not more. And because I think it makes sense, it doesn't make sense to visit gym 5 times a day. Maybe I'm wrong, but this is my point of view. Also, we will set up unlimited because we have this limitation here in the tiers with limits already prepaid and counted in the plans. Okay, next one, analytics. Here is the field for your Google Analytics code and Facebook Pixel code as well. Next one, design customization. With your logo, I will add our logo here, Boomerang logo. This one, for example, save. Not bad. Icon, again, I can get from this and add to the cart. You could check how it looks like here in the push notification section. Background of the central part, I think it's fine for me. Go ahead, card background, it's fine. Color of text, fine. Background of the central part, it's fine. And the important settings, if you ask customers to add their picture, I suggest to show this photo on the card here. Activate these 2 toggles. And as you can see, we have low readness of the name, and this is why I prefer to delete background of the central part. Yeah, this looks much better. Okay, fine. Go ahead. Fields names, custom fields for the front view of the card, membership tiers by default, and available limits. Here you can see available options for the custom fields. If you want to see your own options and your own custom fields, just let us know and raise the feature request and put it in our community for voting. We will select the most popular and we will add your fields as soon as we can. Go ahead. The information, this is the last page that we need to customize before cart will be completely configured. And we could copy this name, membership program. This is exactly card description. This is exactly the card name. Company name, Gold's Gym. Active links, it could be a URL. In my case, it would be our website. Also, you could add your phone numbers, email addresses, and location addresses as well. Great place to do that. Feedback links. Here is the place where you could add your feedback collection links. It could be custom. For example, if you collect the feedback in your Typeform or Google Forms, please use the custom. But if you use some popular things, like if you want to collect reviews on Facebook page, use the Facebook. If you want to use like Foursquare, Google, this is the place for adding your feedback links here. Next one, terms of use. With the membership card, it makes sense to a little bit customize and explain your terms and conditions for your membership program here to avoid any regulatory problems and issues. If you have your subscription agreement on your website for the membership program, please feel free to fill in your link here. And the last thing, it's a card issuer information. Let's use the name here, email goldsgym@gym.com, and any phone number here for an example. Finish. Well, the card is configured completely. We could activate this card. We could download the PDF and place this promotional material in our gym and start enroll your customers into the membership program. This is a great opportunity. The next one, if you want to customize and design your own promotional materials, welcome to do that. Here is the place for your creativity, actually. And the last thing, let's test and subscribe on this plan, on this membership card. Use this link, open in additional tab, and let's subscribe. We have two options, Gym Basic and Gym Premium membership. I prefer to use monthly basic plan. I need to fill in my personal details here. Okay. Date of birth, okay, and my picture, Richie, beautiful avatar. Okay, I have read and accept the terms of use. I agree that my personal data can be used and provided for direct marketing purposes. Also, I agree. What does it mean? It means that you can send text messages for your customers, and your customers already signed up for receiving some marketing materials from you. It means you can start texting your customers in addition to send push notifications and email information. And this is the great opportunity as well. So that's done. Push install in Apple Wallet. Push the button. You will be redirected on Stripe page, Stripe Payment Gateway. And you need to know that if you testing your account, for testing this account, you could fill in information for the dummy card like 424242 and etc. And your payment will be provided without any problems. Let me show you how it works. 4242 and back and forth, like 1124. Doesn't matter what you will fill here, and any CVC code here. The name on the card, the country is the United States. Beautiful. Your zip code. Start trial. No thanks. Processing, waiting a bit. After your trial ends, you will be charged $35 for the first month of subscription. So the payment has proceed. All is good. I cannot show you the card because it's Google Chrome, and Google Chrome just download the PKPass file for iOS, and that's actually good. Right now you can use this card and install and enroll your customers. Well, let me show you how to switch from the test Stripe account to the real production keys. For this, we need to open the card again, edit, go to the settings and disconnect Stripe account here. On the Stripe side, first of all, you need to switch from the test to the production mode to the live mode. and you need to copy your public key first. Go into the Boomerang, push the button connect, and fill in your public key. And the next one, you need to create and save your secret key. For this, you need to find the API in the search, developers API keys, and create the new secret key. Go through the authorization and verification process again. It's a classical step for the production keys. And let's name it membership. Well, that's it. Copy, paste, and push the button connect. Account is connected. And we need to wait something about maybe 30 seconds to a minute to get the feedback from the Stripe side. We need to wait till this message will be changed from disconnected to connected. We could push the button save and preview. And as you can see, it's not still connected. Let's do it again, for example. Oh, no, that's great. Connected. Something about 1 minute you need to wait to get the right feedback by the API from the Stripe side. And after it, you could start using and enroll your customers into your new membership program. That's it. Like save and preview. Again. Copy link. Paste. And right now you could subscribe as a real customer. Okay. Install an Apple Wallet. The email is not unique. Well, perfect. Here is your active and real Stripe account, which will charge your customer for the subscription. That's actually how it works. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye.